Introverts, ever felt out of place in a loud world? You're not alone. Let's dive into the strength of our quiet power. The world celebrates loud voices, while we find strength in silence. Isn't that refreshing? While extroverts gain energy from crowds, we recharge in solitude. Think of it as our superpower. Science says we're sensitive to dopamine. Too much noise can feel draining. We thrive on calm joy. Remember feeling out of place? Each moment of quiet reflection is where we truly shine. We might speak less, but our listening is profound. Quality beats quantity every time. With fewer friends, we cultivate deeper bonds. Every connection is like a rare gem. Solitude isn't loneliness, it's our refuge. We find peace in the quiet moments of life. Introverts bring depth and thoughtful change. Our voices may be gentle, but they resonate powerfully. As Gandhi said, in a gentle way, you can shake the world. Your quiet strength is your gift. Does this resonate with you? You're not just an introvert, you're a powerhouse of quiet potential. Let's take pride in our introversion. The world needs our calm amidst the chaos. While they engage, we observe. In that stillness, we gather insights that others miss. We may seem quiet, but our imaginations roar. There's a whole universe within us. Your introversion is not a flaw, it's your strength. Let's redefine what it means to connect. Embrace both sides, the energy of connection and the peace of solitude. Balance is key. Your creativity blossoms in silence. That's where true inspiration resides. Let your quiet moments flower. In stillness, we grow, we reflect, we thrive. Join us in celebrating the quiet power. Subscribe for more insights and inspiration. Let's share this journey together. Your introversion is a gift to the world.